Assistance dog task aiding and emptying the washing machine or tumble dryer. Part 3.
So clever. Can you get it?
Once they are confident in grabbing the clothes, we show them the next steps of the behavior.
Good boy. You're so clever.
We are now aiming for the dog to pick up the item and pass it to us.
Yay, good job. So clever. Can you get it? Yes, good boy. Very good.
They won't get this straight away, and you will need patience.
Yay, good job. Can you get it? Can you get it? Oh, sorry.
You might find that they pick the item up and get excited and throw it farther away from us.
Can you get it? Good boy. Very good. Can you get it? Good boy. Bring it. Can you bring it then? Bring it, Samson.
You may find they pick the item up and drop it again.
Can you bring it?
Remember, to train a reliable behavior, you need practice and patience.
Good boy. Can you get it? Okay, Samson. You can get it. You get this one.
Moving to the next step, add the clothing item into the machine, draped out.
Good job. Can you get it? Samson? Can you get it? Good boy.
Remember, each interaction they have with their mouth with the washing item should be rewarded.
Can you get it? Get it. Good boy. Very good. Can you get it? Very good. Good job. Good boy. It's so good. Is he clever?
Whenever you finish a session, ensure that you give them plenty of rewards in both food and fuss or play, so that you end the session on a high note.
Clever boy. Yeah. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Good boy. How is everybody?